The art of developing yourself into a good speaker is not an easy one. However, it is not difficult either, for the initiative has to come from you and not from someone else. If you are willing to make the effort, you will improve over time. If you want to pursue a career that requires you to make good presentations, you need to work at it. Do not shy away just because you think it is a weakness that you cannot overcome. What is a weakness or perceived weakness today will not be a weakness tomorrow. It may even become your biggest strength if only you're willing to make it happen. Some people simply think that they are not good at making presentations and stay away from them even if it means changing their careers. Do not fall into the trap of thinking that you may not be good at certain activities and that you need to stay away from such activities. You be different. Attempt to conquer the demons that plague you. Take the first step and the second step will follow automatically, and the ensuing journey will take you to your destination.